Welcome to week 3 of the Black and White Staple series. So in this series, I'm showcasing one classic staple that you probably already have in your closet and giving you a ton of outfit ideas for the week. So since we're in winter, we're doing black like Miss Bunny Bell. And make sure to subscribe if you don't already. This week is all about the classic black sweater. So let's start with adding a pop of color. This yellow vest makes the outfit more cheerful. Black on black is such a great canvas, so you can really mix it up. So this is great for the office. Let's say you want to take it into a night out. The bustier trend is continuing from last season. Remember in the 2000s, it was all about bustiers. Well, they are back. And of course you can wear bustier as is, but in winter, I like layering a tee or a sweater underneath. So this brings it into nighttime. It also is great because it really cinches your waist. So it gives you that hourglass silhouette. Another way you can switch it up super easily is by adding a cape. This one has a plaid print. You could go with white, you could go with red, you could go with black, anything that you desire. So let's add another accessory to this canvas of blackness, and just with a belt. This is a $50 belt I got because I was craving the $400 Gucci belt, but I just couldn't do it, so this one will have to do, and I think the snake is really fun. So I can just add on different things on top to take it to the office. You can do a long cardigan, duster cardigan they're called often. This one has a stripe print. You could do a solid. Or for a night out, just add some fun fringe. All right, let's swap these black jeans for white. Yes, I know it's winter, but I love wearing my white jeans in winter. So black and white is a fun way to do this. I did a similar outfit like this at Fashion Week to make it more winter appropriate. I added a black fuzzy faux fur vest and then some black over the knee boots. And you can even throw on a hat if you want. Okay, so let's go for a more casual vibe. So I'm taking off the vest, getting rid of the boots, throwing on some sneakers. Now I get a little self-conscious when I'm in white jeans, so sometimes I like to tie something around my waist. It has that 90s vibe, which is very back in, so you could do a flannel, but I did a denim shirt because on top I'm gonna add a leather jacket. I love the floral embroidery on this one. Time to ditch the pants for some skirts. A black sweater is the perfect pairing for any type of skirt, whether you want to go with a pleated feminine skirt. Since it's winter time, I'm pairing it with an over-the-knee boot. Or for something a little sexier, ditch the pleats and go for leather. So I hope that gave you some outfit ideas for when you're getting dressed this week, all with using a basic black sweater, because basics are anything but basic. So let me know if you want to see any staples coming up, and as always, you can check out more looks on my blog, Sydne Style. Make sure to subscribe if you don't already, and I'll see you next week. Oh my god, my boobs grew. I mean,